Hello everyone, this is the EVS class for standard 4th. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 23, garbage and its disposal. So students, a large quantity of waste give rise to diseases like diarrhea, dysentery, typhoid and cholera. It also creates a foul smell. We must get rid of these wastes to keep our surrounding clean. So students, in this module we will learn about waste management. What is waste? Various places of its origin and its segregation. Let us see. Welcome to this session, the introduction to waste. We humans depend on many things from an environment to satisfy our various needs, and in the process of development we generate or produce a lot of things which are actually no use to us and simply we discard them. We often buy packets, food, bottled drink, canned food, etc. But what actually we do after having it? We throw away the wrapper or bottles, right? And what about the leftover food or vegetables from the kitchen? Yes, even that goes into a dustbin. We discard lot of things like the old newspapers, plastics, cardboard, wrapping, broken objects, and the list just continues. We discard or throw away such things because they can no longer be of any use to us and they may be unwanted, defective, old, or worthless, and such objects which are no longer of any use to us are called waste. These waste can be as small as used pen to as large as an old vehicle. Also waste to one person may not necessarily to waste another. We normally get to rid of waste generated at home by keeping a bins outside the house, right? But is that the end of it? No. This wastage undergoes series of processes right from its collection, segregation, transportation. Some waste are even treated and then finally are disposed of. So let's see the various places of its origin from where the waste can be collected. Let's begin the waste generated at home during the various day-to-day activities, which is the domestic waste. The next one is the industrial waste. This includes all various waste generated during different industrial processes. The next one is clinical or biomedical waste. These mainly include the waste from the hospitals, nursing homes, pathological laboratories, medical clinics, etc. Now, agricultural activities which generate different waste products. Animal waste. These include animal waste products associated with agricultural. Nuclear waste. The waste produced of the nuclear power plant includes radioactive minerals and metals. Now, minerals waste. It includes heavy metal residues found around mines like lead, arsenic, cadmium, etc. These waste metal particles pollute the surround air and water. So, well friends, here we have done with collecting waste from all various places of its origin. The next we have to do is segregation them or say separate them. But how will we separate this waste? Well, there are certain ways by which we can classify the waste. Let's look at them one by one. Then segregation of garbage. Garbage is a huge global problem. We produce so many products and throw out so much every day that garbage and waste disposal is turning into a major ecological nightmare. Garbage is classified into four categories of waste. Wet waste, this should be disposed of separately. Toxic wastage, this includes medicines, batteries, dried paint, wool bulbs, and dried shoe polish, which needs special care when we dispose of them. Wet or organic waste, this consists of leftover foodstuff, vegetables, peel. This should be put in a composite pit and the resulting compost could be used as manure in the garden. Dry waste, waste consisting of cans, aluminium foils, plastics, metals, glass and paper could be recycled. Now your activity, encourage your parents to buy two separate bins for dry and wet garbage. You can color code it green for dry and blue for wet. Therefore, your garbage collector will be able to segregate the garbage easily.